I learn at home. I take short breaks sometimes. I am happy with my life. Be kind to animals. I talk to her every day. Please give me one. I am trying very hard. He is driving a supercar. I feel much better now. I walk to the street. I study in the evening. I complete my homework on time. I like to learn new things. I respect my teachers. I help my parents at home. I wake up before sunrise. I prepare my own breakfast. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I water the plants daily. I feed the cat every morning. I go to the market nearby. I buy fresh vegetables. I carry my bag carefully. I speak politely to everyone. I listen to my elders. I save money every month. I keep my room tidy. I wash my clothes weekly. I iron my clothes neatly. I attend online classes. I finish my work early. I take care of my health. I exercise for 30 minutes. I drink warm water daily. I avoid junk food. I check my messages later. I reply to emails quickly. I meet my friends outside. I enjoy peaceful moments. I forgive people easily. I stay positive always. I focus on my goals. I learn from my mistakes.